गाइस व्हाट इवन इज दिस वेदर. जो मैंने कल मस्त बाल धोए थे पूरी मैं भीग के आई हूँ अभी आफ्टर द जिम. आई डोंट इवन नो वेयर द रेनकोट इज और वेयर द छाता इज, बट मैं पूरी भीग चुकी हूँ इतना कि लुक एट माई फिंगर्स. वो होता है ना लाइक व्हेन यू आर इन द वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, वैसा हो जाता है. दैट हैज़ हैपेंड. एंड व्हाट इज इट अबाउट द ड्रिल्स दैट आर सपोज टू हैपन? दे आर सपोज टू हैपन एट 8, नो?
नहीं, ड्रिल्स हुआ.
या
200 साइलेंस थे पूरे मुंबई में.
हाँ.
जो
हमारे इधर तो नहीं बजे.
बहुत डिकेड्स पहले इंस्टॉल किए थे, इसमें से खाली 27 चले.
बट पूरी भीग गई हूँ और अभी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी भी लग रही है. सी पूरे गीले हो गए. द वेदर हैज सडनली टर्न्ड आउट टू बी सुपर कोल्ड. मतलब कल तक जो 24 आवर्स एसी चालू रख रहे थे हम, आज के पूरे दिन में आई डोंट थिंक एसी चालू किया. प्लस मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि मुझे ब्लैंकेट निकालने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. बिकॉज आई एम रियली रियली कोल्ड. क्या ही है, ऐसे तो हम बीमार पड़ जाएंगे, है ना? ऊपर से मैं आज भीगी हूँ.
भजिया भी नहीं खाई.
या भजिया नहीं खाया.
भजिया, चाय.
आई हैड लेमन टी दो.
अभी फॉर्म के घर पे रॉक टोस्ट बनाए. गाइस, इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट रॉक टोस्ट, यू आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन इंडियाज बिगेस्ट डेलिकेसीज.
वो मेरे घर का स्पेशलिटी है.
सो ईट इट लाइक दिस.
Because rock. I'm gonna show you what a rock toast is. This is a rock toast and इसके ऊपर चीज़ डाल सकते हैं, चटनी डाल सकते हैं साइड पे एंड केचप. नो अनियन नो गार्लिक वाला. नहीं, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मैं देर में से खाऊंगी. भरा हुआ है क्या वो? थंडर स्टॉर्म की वजह से होगा, है ना? हाय हाय. चलो चलो ब्राउनी, चलो ब्राउनी, लेट्स गो. नहीं, चलो बाय. I can see my mom's house from here and वो तो पूरा एरिया ब्लैकआउट कर दिया. मम्मी का कॉल भी आया मुझे अभी दैट उनका पूरा ब्लैकआउट किया विदाउट इन्फॉर्म करे. बट जितना आई कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर सिर्फ वो एरिया को ब्लैकआउट हुआ है. देख ना, मेट्रो का लाइन भी उधर से जा रहा है. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली डार्क. सो मतलब लाइंस पे भी बंद है. और अभी तक बाकी सब एरियाज़ का नहीं हुआ है. सो वी डोंट नो, इसे बिना बताए होने वाला है कि क्या. Hey guys, so just made avocado toast. I hope you can see. Our cook is on leave for 8 days, so I'm experimenting with food, and I have made avocado toast here for the first time at this new house. But I'm so happy and excited, and actually I've cooked this after a really long time, like easily like 2 months or something, and I've forgotten to add like a few things. मैंने chilies नहीं डाला, मैंने coriander नहीं डाला, and oregano हम लोग को मिला नहीं, and I didn't have the patience to wait for like 15 minutes to order it from Zepto. So yeah, anyway, one is with the layer of cheese and one is without, and I'm so excited to go eat this. And after this I'm gonna have like a very nice mango. So really excited for this afternoon's meal today. Hey guys, we are going out for dinner and some drinks today because the weather is nice. So let me take you along. This is my fit. I think I'm a little extra too sexy for today's thing, but it's okay. I think I have not dressed up like this in a while, and it's honestly like my basic fit. I'm just gonna show you like a full fit now. So my mirror is dirty right now, but yeah, this is my fit. We've come to Independence Brewing Company, and I'm gonna have the mango craft beer, and Sagar has called for
Voice crack, something like that.
yeah,
Voice crack, yeah.
voice crack.
Voice crack.
We so excited. It's the beer season.
It's always beer season.
Yeah, but I've
And
not
it's
had
always mango season.
mango season. Yeah, I've not had like a mango ale in a very long time, and I've not had a beer also in a very long time. So
Yeah.
let's have it.
ऐसे ना, देखो ऐसा लेना.
Yeah. also called for this fried jalapenos. Cheers. Yum. I love mine.
I love mine.
Mango. Have you
Should try
tried?
this. Right.
We are doing 69.
Okay, mango white.
I like mine.
This is mango white.
Yum. My plan is to get drunk tonight. I'm gonna test all these after I had like a 500 ml of mango. I'm trying the
Let's
pesto. After mango, I'm not really liking anything.
Which one?
After mango, yeah. But I think the pesto was good.
This is what I drank earlier.
The first one.
Vice crack, yeah.
Okay.
Try this. No, this.
Bandwidth.
Nope. Kadwa.
With Uno is what you're having currently, right?
No. Bandwidth though. This is light.
Yeah, this is like.
You can go for this one. And the last one you tried?
We found friends.
ऑन मार के निकालना गाड़ी वो लोग छूटते हैं.
Hi. Hi, Babu. Hi. Sure. Hi.
ऐसे एग्जिट है.
Sure, cutie. Hi, cutie. Hi.
It's a gadi with mango topping.
Malai mango topping.
अरे मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं इसको क्या बोलते हैं बट वो मलाई आइसक्रीम है विद मैंगोज. तो क्या लेगा चोको पाई?
मैं तुम लोग में से ही थोड़ा चोइस मारूंगा.
देख हम दोनों वैसे करने वाले. Because we're so full.
ये ना ये बोल रही है ना.
क्या 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 बताओ मेरे को. बताओ मेरे को क्या ये वाला. Oh, mango pieces with malai ice cream.
अरे मैं बता रही हूँ ये एक लेते हैं सब खाते हैं.
हाँ.
ये एक लेके सब खाते हैं.
मैं उसमें से चोच.
सब चूच वाले. मॉली ले.
लाज में बकेट.
डेजर्ट खा के आया. It's so crowded. We're gonna go in the car and eat. Yeah. Can't do this. Hey guys, what's up? I am just going to quickly unbox a few packages that have come in lately, and मुझे आधा तो याद नहीं रहता. Some packages I order and some things that just comes to me as PR, and I just cannot differentiate कि क्या ये मैंने मंगाया है या फिर क्या ये PR की तरह आया है. So we're gonna unbox like 3 packages which have been sitting on the side since like last 2 days, and I've been just figuring out कि कहाँ से आया है. So this one is the first one, and this says Fragile. Now I honestly don't know what is this about, but it says it's come from Goa. So I feel this is probably a drink that I really wanted and I could not get it while I was there on my visit to Goa. So probably them. Let me open it. Okay, बहुत बड़ी पैकिंग है. Okay, well, it was a very tight packaging. I think it took me like good 5 minutes to unbox this. But yes, it's a bottle, and I'm gonna open it in good time. Hopefully now I should be able to. इतना अमेजिंग पैकेजिंग है कि मुझे 10 minutes लग रहा है for one bottle and there's still cushioning here. So wait for it. There is still another layer of packaging. My goodness, बहुत टाइम लग गया. अब मैं थक गई पूरा ये करते करते. But this is the bottle and this is the Kuro alcohol, the spirit brand. I saw this on Instagram and I was like, I really wanted to take one back home from Goa. This is, I think, made in Goa, and yeah, this is for sale only in Goa. It's very new, and I saw this on Instagram and I was like, I want to take it back home from Goa, like to try some new alcohol. But उस दिन, like on my last day in Goa, I could not find it at like the nearby store that I was staying at. So I messaged the guys on Instagram and they were like, okay, we'll send you the bottle back like in Bombay. And they sent it to me, which is amazing. I'm really, really excited to try this. Yeah, they've also given like how I can have this alcohol. So 2 parts of Kuro, 2 parts of sparkling white, and 1 part of soda and ice. And I can make myself a very nice drink. Let me actually give this a try and let you know how it is, what it is about. So basically, you can have it just as a shot, you can have it neat, or you can like mix it with any other like mixers. And make your own cocktail, and this is like a very interesting spirit that I'm excited to try. I don't think it comes in any of those like classic categories of like whiskey, rum, or whatever. This is a spirit of itself. So yeah, let's try it. This is for 1950. The MRP is 1950, which is amazing. And let me just basically try it and show it to you guys. But the bottle looks really cool as well, and even the color, like blood red color. It's like khoon pee rahi hu main kisi ka. But it's interesting. I'm gonna give it a try soon. I'm gonna make a cocktail and I'm gonna vlog that thing. Anyway, moving on to the next package, which I kind of know क्या आया है. मैं जितनी ज़्यादा बड़ी हो रही हूँ उतनी ज़्यादा आई एम रियलाइजिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ गुड food, good health. So I have ordered this like 1 kg of 100% pure lab certified cow desi ghee, and look at the bottle. um, yeah, I mean, mere hall mein there's no longer going to be, I mean, there will be like fashion, beauty, makeup and everything, but there is going to be like household stuff as well. Like in the earlier one you saw there's alcohol and then there's ghee, so I am just balancing life. I saw like good reviews of this and I was like really interested, and also it says that it's lab certified, so I don't know how that's going to be. I've never tried something like that. It's also gluten free and of course zero chemical and no preservatives. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna like try replacing, not replacing maybe, because I anyway don't use a lot of oil, but like maybe having a 50%, like 50-50 ratio of oil and ghee for all my foods, and I think that should be really good. The next thing that I ordered, which I know and I love it so much, is my everyday coffee. Now I ordered this from Bevzilla. Currently, I think last 6-8 months, I've been like a huge fan of Bevzilla, and मैं उनके प्रोडक्ट्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम अच्छे खासे सेल पे ही ले लेती हूँ. बट दिस टाइम लाइक आई वॉज आउट ऑफ, like I am going to run out of coffee in the next 3-4 days. Like the Bevzilla coffee, and this is my every morning coffee. So I ordered like 2 boxes of it already. Each box mein there are like 96 sachets, and the sachets are from 4 different flavors, which is French vanilla, hazelnut, butterscotch and Colombian gold. Okay. I don't think I usually order the classic one. I think I ordered a different one this time. I did not realize. मैंने बहुत जल्दी जल्दी में order कर लिया. But 96 sachets, so that's a total of how many? 6 plus 6, 12, 1, 9 plus 9, 18, 190, 192 sachets. I think that's going to be like enough for a month. and a half max, I think. Yeah, because Sagar and I, हम दोनों उतना coffee पीते हैं. I need like 2 sachets of this every morning and 2 sachets every evening. And if I'm not having this, I can like in the evening I skip it for some like maybe matcha or like a South Indian filter coffee or maybe any other coffee basically. But morning mein I usually have this because this is quick, this is instant, and yeah, like I get the caffeine that I need to get started with my day. So I mean, for now, these are the few things from the hall. So it's like like khana pina hi hai actually. Sorry. Anyway, I think I'm just going to end this vlog. I think this vlog has been a lot about food. Uh, yeah, it feels like it's been a lot about food and alcohol. So I'm just gonna end this vlog right here, and I hope you guys are safe and you're okay wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Do take care, and yeah, be awesome, stay awesome. I love you. Bye bye.